In this video I will show you how to share calendar on iPhone. First, open the calendar by tapping on the app icon. Next, tap on calendars located at the bottom. This will open a list of calendars. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Tap on the icon on the right side of the row of the calendar you want to share. This will open the calendar editing form. Tap on the public calendar toggle. Next, tap on the Share Link button. This way you will be able to share your calendar with other people. The calendar will be shared as a read-only calendar. Anyone you send the URL to can use it to subscribe to your calendar in a compatible app like Calendar for macOS. Thank you for watching.